YouTube full screen not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your YouTube full screen is not showing up. Well, if you open up your YouTube, your interface should probably look like this. Now, if you play on a video, you'll get a little square icon on the right hand side of your screen. If you press on it, your video should probably go to full screen. Now, if this doesn't happen, it might be due to a number of issues. First things first, head over to your Play Store and make sure your app is updated to the latest version of the app. Well, if your app is not updated, you'll get a little update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. Now, once you do that and it still doesn't work, head over to your settings, go to apps, and once on apps, search for YouTube. Now click on YouTube and go to its storage. Try clearing your cache or your data. Once you do it, update your YouTube again and sign in your account and your full screen should probably work. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.